Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enter recovery mode on Android. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone is completely powered off. Press and hold the power button, then tap power off. Wait until the screen goes totally black before continuing. Now, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Keep holding them until you see your phone's logo or the Android recovery screen appear. Then, for some phones like Samsung, you might need to plug in your USB cable first before pressing the buttons. Once you're in, you can navigate using the volume keys and select option with a power button. Here you can choose action like reboot system now, wipe cache, or factory reset. When done, select reboot system now to exit recovery mode safely. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.